can just see you. Hey guys, so welcome to a new vlog. I think the last vlog I probably posted when I went to Ochi for the holiday. That was a good vibe. Let's get into this new vlog right now. So I am hosting a party. It's a pool cool effect party where you bring your igloo and party. Okay, it's a summer, so why not have a pool party? So I am out and about trying to get some stuff organized. I'm actually at Woolworth now because I need it's a paid event, food inclusive, $3,000. I've only sent the invitation to a few people and it's a list event only. So yeah, it's not like a whole, I'm not inviting the whole Jamaica, just listed only. So anyways, I'm heading to Woolworth. I need to get bands, I need to get something because I'm gonna have somebody who's gonna be parking the cars. It's at a residential area, same place where I had my birthday, so I want to have somebody that's dealing with the traffic and parking of cars. So I want to get them a vest and get the bands for people to come in because like I said, it's a paid event. Anyways, we're in Tree at Woolworth. Hopefully they have it, and then tomorrow I'm gonna go Price Mart, get water, and I just collect some packages from around the back. So yeah, I think that's it for now. So let's head into Woolworth to see what they have. I found what I'm looking for, the best. They don't have the party bands, so I'm gonna go to the other party store probably tomorrow though, not today. All right, so I got the vest that I wanted. I'm gonna head over to the supermarket because I'm gonna go to Brooklyn, so I need to check the prices for some plates, forks, and etc. at Brooklyn. I already because the other supermarket, La Shushan, they have a website with prices and all of that, so I kind of want to compare prices to see who is less. Reason for that, normally we'll just go Brooklyn and just whatever, but I'm trying to spend less money as possible. Number one, this event is not a money making thing. If it was, I would have probably charged $5,000 to enter, but it's only $3,000, which includes food. And I'm also giving away water. I'm gonna probably have around 50 water to give away. Based on the list, it should be around 70 people, but people may drop off here, there, and there. So this event is really not a money making thing. If it was, I would have charged more and added more food and etc. But the menu the menu ain't bad, okay? So I just want to compare prices because I'm sure I'm gonna need a lot of plates. If the list says 70 people, I'm gonna need double, triple that place because people's gonna eat blah. So I need to ensure that I have enough of everything. So I'm gonna go to Brooklyn, take pictures of the prices, and then go back. When I get home later, I go back to the website and see who has the best prices, less money spending, and then I purchase those tomorrow, which is Thursday. The event is on Saturday. DJ is paid for, place is secure, so food is going to be cooking the Saturday morning, so everything is all good and dandy. All right, I'm gonna go to the supermarket and see the prices, take pictures. Not gonna vlog because I need my phone to take pictures. Anyways, I'll catch you guys tomorrow when I'm back on the road doing more preparation for my pool party event. Okay, in Price Mart, I don't know. Anyways, got 2 waters to give away and need this for the pasta. Guys, so this clip was just a short clip of showing you how my party is, but this was just at the end of the party when everybody left. Sorry, I forgot to video anything, guys. Hey guys, happy Sunday. Just coming from the supermarket. So my event was yesterday, and trust me y'all, I was supposed to take you guys on this journey, video everything, like keep you guys updated, but yesterday was like rough. I had a late start, the rain fell, like so many things just went wrong. I did not get a lot of support for my event. Like a few key people who I knew would come through, they did. So shout out to all my friends and my peeps. Well, separate and apart from that, a lot of people didn't come, and it was a listed guest thingy. But regardless of that, we had fun. I had food galore. Like, that's the most important thing. Didn't run out of food. Everybody had a good time. So yeah, we had a pretty good time. But I just not able to show you guys any highlights because I did not video. I was just busy up and down, and you know how it goes. Like, when you're busy, you have things planned and you're just trying to execute and all of that. But just gonna be from the supermarket. Just gonna stop by my mom's house, have some food, and yeah, just gonna chill. I am really like thinking to have a drink tonight, so I may go out. I probably should have gone to the movies, but Sundays the 5 o'clock movie hits different than 8 p.m. movies, so maybe one day in the week I'll go on a little solo date. I think I haven't been on a solo for a while, so I think I'm gonna do that this week. I have a video I haven't uploaded going on to 2 weeks now, so do have a video I need to sort out, so I'm gonna do that shortly. But yeah, that's just the update for now. If I'm going anywhere tonight, I'll see y'all, or in the week when I'm going on my solo dates. Hey guys, what's going on? It is a Tuesday, so happy Tuesday. I know I told y'all I should be going on a solo date for this week. That is still a plan, but we'll see how that goes. But in the interim, I am going to the book ship. It's the last day in Kingston. If you guys don't know, we have like a it's called Logos Hope book ship. So it's a ship that normally comes every few years to Jamaica, and I know they go to other countries, but today's their last day in Kingston and they're going to Montego Bay for their other couple days. So I am dressed, taking my niece to go there. It's very dark. Can you guys see me now? It's still dark. Anyway, so I'm dressed. I'm gonna actually put on my sneakers, just dressing very comfy. Changed my hair to my normal regular. I'm back to my regular self. No more curly hair for now. Don't quote me on that. I'll probably put that hair back in because I spent a dough on it, even though it's not great quality, but we'll talk about that another time. So it's after 4 p.m. and I want to go. The last people they take, the intake is at 9 o'clock, but I did not want to go at night because of the area thing, and since today is the last day, I'm assuming there will be chaos. So yeah, anyways, we're gonna just go bring my little niece and see what books I can buy her, see what books interest me, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so we are here, so let's head inside. I spent $5,000 worth of books for her. I did not get to get in for myself because I didn't have enough cash, but we're gonna get some food. What's up guys, so it's a Friday. I know you guys saw me when I went in the week to the book boat actually with my niece. It's Friday night and I'm just heading out, and I just wanted to come on and just show you guys my fit. That's all, show you guys my fit. That's it. Very cash, very nice sexy dress, and we did our makeup, we redid our hair, I should say. And yeah, it's a Friday night. I'm just gonna have a little outing, why not? Yeah, so that's it. That's all. That's the only reason I came on to show y'all my feet. Cause why am I in this sexy dress? I don't know.